Quite often when you read the technical information about memory, or when you look at the marketing information on the packaging on memory, it will mention that this is ECC memory. And usually we say, oh wow, this is ECC, this is pretty cool. And we don't even know what it means. Well, ECC means error checking and correction. Watch for this on the exam. You will probably see it in some form. Now this is full service parity. Now if you haven't seen the video on parity versus non-parity, you might want to go take a look at that. But parity is a binary smoke and mirrors trick that we can use to check and make sure that our memory is not introducing errors, that the data that's put in the memory is the same that comes out of the memory. Okay, so ECC is a functionality that detects memory errors, very similar to parity. However, ECC memory can attempt to correct the memory issue, because since we're only storing zeros and ones, if it used to be a 1 that's now a 0, guess what? Let's just change it back to a 1 and we should be okay, or vice versa. All right? Well, keep in mind ECC goes one step farther than parity. It can correct the memory errors. However, it can only correct a single bit memory error. All right? So watch for this on the exam. If you have multiple bits that are losing data or getting off, then that's not going to all be corrected. Okay, so ECC, or error checking and correction, is basically parity with the ability to correct a single bit if it gets off and it causes a problem. So pretty simple concept, sounds really Star Trekky. Don't worry about how it's done, just make sure you understand what ECC is and what its limitations are when you take the exam.